This thing is kind of acting crazy, guys. Let's see. We can get it down. Okay. Alright. Now you see. I got the end. Those ends off. They really kept that thing in good condition, guys. Look how clean it is. Very clean. You see? Very clean. So I like that. That's saying that this truck probably was taken care of pretty good, guys. Well, it probably was taken care of pretty good. You see? But I'm a little bit worried about these ones right here. And if I'm not mistaken, and these are the ones that I really need. These two. Because on the other one, wait a minute. Yeah, these are the ones I need. That's right. I need this one right here. These. Because on the other one, this thing right here, wait, camera, follow, pay attention. This thing right here, yeah, this thing is still on the one I just bought, okay? So it's on there, so we don't need to use that. Of course, I have all the stuff over here just in case, but we don't need that. So it's still on here. Plug into here, right? Yeah, no, plug into here. All right. So that's still there, so that's fine. This one is missing, so I need this one, and it looks to be in pretty good condition. So I think we're good there. But this one, these, I'm not too sure about these. These, they're quite scary looking, you see? They're quite scary looking. Let's see if the ends still was on there. They're rubber gaskets. No rubber gaskets on there. Oh, Lord. See this one? No, that ain't it. That ain't it. It's this one and this one. Did they ever have rubber gasket on these? I don't think so. I think they're built in here. Built in there somewhere. Yeah, they're built in there. Hopefully those didn't get too hot and melt. But if not, I gotta go buy one of these parts stores and see if they carry these things. They should, but I don't know. People are not carrying everything that they should anymore, but hopefully they do. This one is good. Plus, we only need this one right here. This, Lord, we only need this one. But we need both of these on this side. So I got my plastic bag. I'm gonna take both of those with me. Yeah, because I found out that this one on here is too small. Yeah, this radiator is too small, guys. This radiator does not fit mine. It does not fit mine, guys. Nope. I can always, when I get the radiator, I can always take them off these too. Yeah, I don't. Oh, sorry about that. I hit the gimbal. So I can always take it off of this one. I don't want to do that. You know what I might do though? I might take these. Pay attention, camera. Might take those and put them on here, on this one. Then I take these if they fit. I think they fit, so let's see how large the holes are on this thing. They fit. Let's see. Let's see how large. Yeah, they're good, guys. Those are big. So yeah. So these should fit on the one I got coming. So I'm gonna take the one off this broken one right over here. Yeah, and put those on this this one, because I'm gonna keep this radiator just in case I come across a Suburban, you know. Just in case I come across a Suburban, we'll have it. You see, just in case I come across a Suburban. So yeah, so we got these, so we should be fine. Hopefully when it comes, then we'll start. When it comes, then we'll start putting this thing. We'll start piecing this truck back together, because I want to wait till everything comes so I can take this one out of here, and I can put the new one in. And we can keep the fan. You know that. We can keep the condenser as well. The condenser works either off or any of them, so that's good. That's good. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. That is it. That's what we're going to do. So this radiator ain't as near as big as the one we got, so that's why it didn't work. It's smaller. I mean, you probably can hook it up for a little while, you know, push come to shove, but because I think this right here has got an 8-speed in it, guys. I think this Escalade, no, this This Denali got, I think it got an 8-speed transmission in it. I'm not sure, but I think so. But we're gonna take these things. Wait, should I take them, or should I just unbolt these things and check them out? Because I'm just bringing more junk. All right, let's see. Let me get my tool bag. I'm gonna see if we can just take these things off. Oh my God, guys. I just realized when you hold the button, it deletes everything I had on here. Lord, so y'all just now seeing me starting this damn thing. No, I came and I was taking the stuff off. Oh Lord. So Lord, that's so upsetting. So I only have just that little part of the video, because I literally erased everything else, because I'm on the DJI 3. I didn't realize, I did not realize if you hold the power button or the record button, it erases the video prior. So yeah, y'all don't have that video. I'm just gonna have this little short piece right here. Lord, that's not good. DJI, why y'all do stuff like that? That's stupid. That is stupid, DJI. Now I don't have my first video. I don't have my first video, and I almost, guys, I almost erased this one. I almost erased this video. It was going around in a circle, like I thought I was powering it off, but I actually was erasing the first video that I did. God, that's so upsetting. So how do we do? So we just match one button. All right, guys, I'm gonna be right back after I get these things off. All right, guys, to finish this video up, to finish it, because you know I end up erasing that other one. Come on, what the world? I don't like this camera, guys. I much rather have my my DJI 2. I like my 2 better. This sucker ain't acting right. Yep. Oh, now it's, I don't know. Alright, guys. Let's get this the best way we can. All right, right here. Got these off of here. Yeah, I gotta clean them up. Yeah, and I got the other ones, the bigger ones. So we're gonna take this radiator off of here. We'll take the radiator off the one on here. Right here. Ain't that plastic? We're gonna take that radiator off. Take these off of that radiator. And then we're gonna put these back on that one. Just in case we find a Suburban somewhere that we need to fix or something. We have another radiator for it. You see? But this radiator is no good. No good for us. No good. It's no good. We need the bigger one. Like this one right here. This one right here is a bigger radiator. It's thicker. See, these side things right here are a lot thicker, see? It's a lot wider. So, this is going to be a very short video, guys, because I misplaced. Man, what the crap is going on with this thing? Oh, Lord. Crap. I think I changed the view and it turned dark out all of a sudden. Alright, guys. This is a very short one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Well, I don't know what I'm looking at. Let's see. Lord. Okay, like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard, baby. Yard 1 or 2. I don't know. Y'all can see my hand. I'm saying peace. Peace.